my boots up, I walk towards that trailer door. I got to find something better like I swore. Well, I'm still stuck on that sweet Carolina sunset, when the radio's static between Savannah and Charleston, and there's winding tires on the road, and the sun's glare off of that old backside window is red and a little bit orange. My heart's on fire and a little bit torn. And if I had to ride on, baby, would I even know? Would I even know it? And if I have that long stretch of that mountain air, is there city there? Well, I'm passing lanes and I'm passing the miles. I'd write you a letter, baby, I'm short on the hour, so I just have to haul ass to get to that sea. Paint this picture of you for me. Take an exit, then I fuel up at a Nexian store. I grab a strong cup of coffee, and I'm back to the door of the dually. It's a painted white Dodge. My heart's weary as I climbed up inside. I let them glow plugs warm up. As I turned her diesel over, I read that Cummins in the truck as I drove. Let smoke in the air. Said, God help me out here, just help me out, 'cause I bet I said if I ride on, baby, would I even know? Would I even know it? And if I got that long stretch of that mountain air, is there city there? Well, I'm counting lanes and I'm passing the miles. I'd write you a letter, baby, I'm short on the hour, so I just had to haul ass to get to that sea. Paint this picture of you for me. Dark out and I can't see that red Georgia clay. Bet the only hills around are hundreds of miles away, where a Choctaw cries in the wind, 'cause that's just a lone ghost on this old highway again. From them 4 lanes cutting through this old run road that we're cutting through. Yeah, right up but heads there a trailer rig. Well, it's a bobtail rig, and I bet he's singing. I bet he's singing if he rides on, baby, does he even know? Would he even know it? And if he's got that long stretch of that mountain air, is there city there? Well, I'm counting lanes and I'm passing the miles. I'd write you a letter, baby, short on the hour, so I just have to haul ass to get to that sea. And paint this picture of you for me. My boots up and I walk towards that trailer door.